Very warm happy day to all my dears. Hope you all are safe and good with your family members. Okay, today we are going to continue our Unit 12 Plant Anatomy and Plant Physiology. Yes, today's topic is role of sunlight in photosynthesis. Role which means work and participation. Okay, children, this is very important book pack 7 mark question. So, listen carefully and take his notes. So, work and participation of sunlight. Sunlight in where? Photosynthesis. So, listen, the entire or whole process of photosynthesis, which means sunlight, leaf, this is the chloroplast. Okay, so takes place or happens inside the chloroplast. What is chloroplast? Already we learned. Yes, green color plastids. Okay, so see the structure of chloroplast. Is in two types. First one is light dependent reaction. Second one is light independent reaction. Okay. Yes. Green color plastids. Structure of chlorophyll. Structure of chloroplast is in two light dependent reaction. ஒளியை சார்ந்த light reaction. Okay. Next one, light independent. ஒளியை சாராமல், which means dark reaction. Okay. So, the above both reactions takes place at different sites. Different sites, which means see here, இங்க கொஞ்சம் இந்த இடத்துல ஓகேவா, different sites are places in the organelles. What is organelle? See, ribosome, DNA, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, are group of organs. Group of organs is called organelle. Okay. Light dependent reaction. Okay. Light dependent reaction, use of light. This reaction will occur. Okay. So, the other names of this reaction are Hill. Another one is light reaction. So, dear children, light dependent reaction in two. What are they? Other name is Hill reaction and light reaction. This was the light dependent reaction was discovered or invented by Robin Hill. See my dear, Hill. அவரோட நேம் வரனால தான் இதுக்கு நேம் என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க? Hill reaction கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஓகேங்களா? So in which year? 1939. 39. Light dependent reaction, use of light. Okay, so this reaction will occurs where the other names are, these reactions are Hill reaction and light reaction. The light dependent reaction was discovered or invented by Robin Hill. In which year? 1939. Thylakoid membrane. Thylakoid membranes. Already we knew thylakoid layers, grana. Grana, which means thylakoid layers. On the basis of this, thylakoid membranes of chloroplast. See, this is chloroplast. Thylakoid membranes of chloroplast. Thylakoid membranes of chloroplast have light energy. So, in the presence of light energy, this reactions takes place. Okay, in the light energy மூலமாக light dependent reaction ஆனது நடைபெறும். So, finally we can understand this reaction takes place by light energy. Okay, photosynthetic pigment. Photosynthetic pigments. What is photosynthetic pigments? Pigments involved in photosynthesis are called photosynthetic pigments. So, that photosynthetic. Okay, that photosynthetic pigments observe light. Okay va? இந்த light absorb பண்ணி தான் என்ன பண்ணுது? இந்த குளோரோபிளாஸ்ட்ல ஏதாவது கெமிக்கல் ரியாக்ஷன் நடக்குதா, கெமிக்கல் எனர்ஜி இருக்குதான்னு சொல்லி பார்க்குது. ஸோ தட் photosynthetic pigments observe light energy and change into chemical energy. The two chemical energy is ATP and NADPH2. So these two chemical products of light energy. First, it have in thylakoid of chloroplast. It have in thylakoid of chloroplast. Right. So, from thylakoid it moved to the stroma of the chloroplast. So, from thylakoid it moved to the stroma. What is stroma? It is very important 2-mark question. Matrix present inside the membrane, jelly like structure. Okay, it is called stroma. Dear children, this is very important 1-mark question. A cell cannot get its energy from glucose. A cell cannot get its energy from glucose. So, it's respiration. This process, respiration. So, glucose release energy. So, glucose release energy. That energy is used to make one of the chemical energy in right reaction, in light reaction. Okay, that is what? ATP. Dear children, this is very important 1-mark question. A cell cannot get its energy from glucose. So, in respiration process, the glucose release energy. That energy is used to make one of the chemical energy. Chemical energy in light reaction, that is what? ATP. Okay. Second one is light independent reaction. independent reaction, or already said to you, dark reaction or biosynthetic. Biosynthetic pace. Okay, pace or stage. This is what the other two names of light independent reaction. Okay, what is that? Dark reaction and biosynthetic reaction. Dark reaction takes place in stroma. Okay, what is stroma? Just now we learned matrix present. Okay, matrix present inside to the membrane is called stroma. Okay, listen carefully. Light reaction generated ATP and NADPH2. We knew. So, with the help of light reaction, dear children, light reaction generated ATP and NADPH2. So, with the help of CO2 reduced to carbohydrates. Carbohydrates, okay, at where? Light independent reaction. So therefore, this is also called Calvin cycle. Dear, light reaction generated ATP and NADPH2. Already we knew. So, with the help of ATP and NADPH2, reduced CO2 to carbohydrates. Okay. And in this reaction, this is a, listen my dears, light independent reaction, there is no role of light. There is no role of light. Okay. Hence it is called dark reaction. This is very important. Book pack 7 mark question. Once I repeat ma. Light independent reaction generated. ATP and NADPH2. So with help of ATP and NADPH2 into CO2, carbon dioxide reduced into carbohydrates. At where? Light independent reaction. So therefore, this is also called Calvin cycle. Okay, and in this reaction there is no role of light. So hence it is called dark reaction. Let's see about Calvin cycle. In Calvin cycle, inputs are CO2 from atmosphere and ATP and NADPH2 from light reaction. Okay. See my dear, the two products inge namakku kadichu light reaction irundhu kadichu. Okay va? This is very important. Yes, 1 mark question. Mark it. Melvin Calvin. Okay. Melvin Calvin was an American biochemist. Okay. Melvin Calvin discovered chemical pathway or reaction for photosynthesis. Okay, so the cycle is called Calvin cycle. Melvin Calvin was an American biochemist. He discovered chemical pathway or reaction for photosynthesis. Okay, so the cycle is called Calvin cycle. He awarded Nobel Prize in 1961 for why? For his discovered Calvin cycle. Dear students, next one is factors affecting photosynthesis. Factors affecting photosynthesis. Compulsory public question ma. This is very important. 4 mark question. Okay. There are 2 factors. First one is internal factors. Second one is external factors. Okay, first internal factors inside only the leaf. Internal factors which means inside the leaf only. See, listen. First one is pigments. Second one is leaf age. Leaf age it becomes yellow. Already know very well. ஒரு செடி நம்ம பார்ப்போம், கிரீன் கலரில் இருக்கக்கூடிய அந்த லீஃப் ஆனது ஏஜ் ஆனதும் என்ன கலராக மாறிடும் அப்படின்னா எல்லோ கலராக மாறிடும். That is called leaf age. ஓகேவா? So leaf age it becomes yellow. That stage is called leaf age. Okay, இலை பழுத்தல். Third one is accumulation. See, excess gathering of carbohydrates. இந்த இலையில உள்ள பாருங்க, இங்க carbohydrates, another one carbohydrates, another one, one more. So this is called accumulation, excess gathering of carbohydrates. Fourth one is hormones. Leaf does have hormonal problems. Okay, that is called hormones. Listen my dears, factors affecting photosynthesis have 2 types, internal factors and external factors. The first one is internal factors, which mean inside the leaf. There are 4. What are they? Pigments, leaf age, accumulation, hormones. First one is pigment. See here. Second one is leaf age. And I said to you, leaf age it becomes yellow. That stage is called leaf age. Third one is accumulation, kuvidal, excess of gathering of carbohydrates. Okay, hormones. Leaf does have any hormonal problems is called hormones. Okay my dears, this is very important 4 mark question. Second one is external factor. Which means outside the leaf. Internal factor which means inside the leaf. External factors which means outside the leaf. Okay, first one is light which means sunlight. Okay, second one is carbon dioxide. Okay, CO2. Excess of CO2 respired leaf. Okay, excess of CO2 is respired of leaf. I am by leaf. Okay, ma'am. Okay, third one is temperature, which means heat. Okay, overheat is produced, which is called temperature. Last one is water may affect the leaf condition. Water may affect the leaf condition. Last one is mineral elements. Mineral elements, food grains. Food grains in soil affect leaf. Food grains in soil affect leaf. Listen my dears. Artificial photosynthesis. Artificial photosynthesis is method of producing renewable or reusing energy by sunlight. Okay. Artificial photosynthesis is method of producing renewable energy by sunlight. Okay. CNR Ra. Who is he? Indian scientist. Conferred or received Bharat Ratna award. Bharat Ratna award in 2013 for working similar technology of artificial photosynthesis. Okay, that will produce hydrogen fuel. Hydrogen fuel is the important example of renewable energy. Okay, listen my dears. CNR Ra is Indian, one of the scientists. He is conferred or received Bharat Ratna award in 2013 for working in similar technology of artificial photosynthesis that will produce hydrogen fuel. Okay, the hydrogen fuel is important example of renewable energy. Dear students, take hints, write in your science note. Next meet I will ask the question. Thank you.